हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आदित्य फाइनेंशियल इंसाइट्स। तो गाइस, आज फिफ्थ लेक्चर है इन एनआईएसएम इक्विटी डेरिवेटिव। फिफ्थ लेक्चर पार्ट नंबर 14 से शुरुआत करता हूँ गाइस। देख सकते हैं पार्ट नंबर 14 में इमर्जिंग ट्रेंड इन डेरिवेटिव एजुकेशन एंड सर्टिफिकेशन है गाइस। तो अभी डेरिवेटिव से रिलेटेड जो भी एजुकेशन एंड सर्टिफिकेशन उस पर इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं गाइस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 126 पर शुरू करते हैं। What is the role of online platform in derivative education? Answer is right. Online platform offer flexible learning opportunities through the course, webinars, and mock tests, allowing participation to prepare for the certification like NISM for anywhere. Next question, 127. How has gamification impact derivative education? Answer is right. Gamification integrate elements like puzzle, quizzes, leaderboards, and simulations into learning platforms, making derivatives education more engaging and practical. ठीक है, next question 128. What are the benefits of obtaining certificate like NISM or CFA in derivatives? Right, certification enhance knowledge, validity expertise, improve employability, and provide a competitive edge in financial market. 129. How do virtual trading simulators contribute to derivative learning? Simulators allow learning to practice trading without a real financial risk, helping them understand market dynamic and refine their strategy. So the next question, 130. What role does AI play in personalized derivative education? Answer is that AI tailors learning experience by identifying knowledge gaps and recommending a specific topic or response resource based on individual performance. ठीक है, आ जाते हैं 131 क्वेश्चन. How are regulatory updates integrated into derivative education program? Certification like NISM regularly update their curriculum to reflect the latest regulatory changes, ensuring participants stay informed about the market. 132 question. What is the significance of the case study in derivative education? Answer is that case study provides real world example, helping learning understand complex concepts and their practical application in financial market. So the next 133. How does blended learning enhance derivative training? Yeah. Answer is that blended learning combine online module with a live workshop or mentorship, creating an interactive and comprehensive learning experience. Next question, guys. 134. Why are peer-to-peer learning community important in derivative education? Answer is that this community foster collaboration, discussion, and knowledge sharing among the learners, enhance understanding and engagement. Next question, guys. 135. What trends are shaping the future of derivative certification? Answer is guys. Trend includes macro credential focus on ESG related derivative integration of AI and blockchain in course and expanding access to the mobile. तो गाइस 14 पार्ट खत्म हो गया गाइस. आ जाते हैं नेक्स्ट पार्ट में, पार्ट नंबर 15 डेरिवेटिव्स इन निश मार्केट. तो गाइस देख सकते हैं डेरिवेटिव इन निश मार्केट. 136 क्वेश्चन. What are energy derivatives and how are they used? Energy derivatives like crude oil, natural gas futures are used by the company to hedge against volatility, energy price, and wider speculators to profit from the price movement. Right? Next question 137. Explain the use of agriculture derivative in farming. Answer is right. Farmers are used agriculture derivatives like crop future and option to lock in price for their produce, mitigation risk from the price fluctuation. Next question 138. What are the freight derivatives and who use them? Answer is I. Freight derivatives are contract based on shipping cost. They are used by shipping company, importers and exporters to hedge against the volatility freight rate. Next question guys 139. How do weather derivatives benefit the agriculture sector? Weather derivatives help farmers hedge against the financial loss due to the extreme weather conditions such as drought or excess rainfall. Next question guys 140. What is the role of healthcare derivatives? Sorry guys. Healthcare derivatives enable organizing to manage risk associated with medical cost, patient volume and operational expense. Next question guys 141. Explain the use of credit derivatives. Question guys. Carbon credit derivatives allow company to trade the right to emit greenhouse gas, helping them comply with regulatory limits and offset environment impact. Okay, guys. Next question 142. What are a catastrophic derivative and why they are important? Catastrophic derivative provide financial protection against losses from natural disaster such as hurricane and earthquake. Next question guys 143. How do a sports event derivative function? Answer guys. A sports event derivative allow the stakeholder to hedge risk or a speculation on financial outcome related to tickets, sales, sponsorship deal, and broadcasting revenue. Next question guys 144. What is the purpose of education in derivative? The education derivatives are innovation financial product designed to manage cost and risk associated with a student loan and tuition fee. Next question guys 145. How are entertainment derivatives apply in the film and musical industry? Answer is right. Entertainment derivatives help producer and studio hedge against the financial risk tied to box office revenue and album sales. तो गाइस फिर पार्ट खत्म हो गया गाइस आ जाते हैं पार्ट नंबर 16 एडवांस केस स्टडी एंड एग्जांपल विद द डेरिवेटिव मार्केट 16 में देख लेते हैं गाइस नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 146 A multinational corporation need to hedge against currency risk due to fluctuation in exchange rate between the USD and INR. Which derivative strategy should they adopt? Answer is right. A corporation can use currency forward or future to lock in exchange rate for the future transaction, protecting against the adverse currency movement. ठीक है guys और आते हैं next question 147 An agriculture producer expect wheat price to drop significantly before the harvest. What should they do to mitigate risk? Answer is right. The producer can sell wheat future contract to lock in a favorable price now and offset potential losses from the falling price. Is that right? Next question 148. A portfolio manager wants to profit from an increase in market volatility but does not want direct exposure to the underlying asset. What derivative should they use? Answer is right. The manager can buy volatility index, VEX, future or option to capitalize on rising market volatility. Next question is right. 149. A hedge fund anticipated a sharp decline in technology stock. Which option strategy could they implemented? Answer is that the fund could purchase put option on technology stock indices to profit from the anticipated decline. ठीक है guys. Next question 150. A retailer worry about rising fuel costs affecting their logistics expense. How can they use derivative to hedge their risk? The answer is guys. The retailer can buy fuel future or energy option to lock in price and mitigate the impact of the fuel pricing increases. आ जाते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 151. An investor holds a portfolio of a stock but is concerned about the short-term market downturn. What should they do? The answer is guys, they can buy index put option to protect their portfolio against the market decline while maintaining exposure to potential upside. Right? मैक्सिमम जगह आप ये देखते होंगे कि मार्केट को रिस्क से बचाने के लिए हमेशा हेज के मेथड जो हैं सभी जगह यूज किया जाता है अगर मार्केट डिक्लाइन होता तो आ जाता है गाइस नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 152. A coffee exporter want to hedge against price volatility in the coffee market. ठीक है गाइस, what derivative strategy should they adopt? The exporter can use coffee future contract to secure a predictable selling price. ठीक है गाइस, और आते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 153. A bank want to manage interest rate risk for its loan portfolio. What derivative can they use? The bank can enter into interest rate swap to exchange fixed rate cash flow for floating rate bonds, aligning their exposure with the market condition. ठीक है गाइस, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आ जाते हैं 154 में. A manufacturing firm is exposed to a steel price fluctuation. What can they do to stabilize cost? Answer है guys, the firm can use a steel future or commodity option to lock in price and reduce uncertainty in the material cost. ठीक है guys, आ जाते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 155. An individual investor want to generate income from a stock they already own while limiting upside potential. What strategy should they consider? The answer is the investor can write sell covered call option on the stocks, earning premium in exchange for a capping potential gain beyond the strike price. तो गाइस पार्ट नंबर 6 में भी समाप्त हो गया है. अब आ जाते हैं पार्ट नंबर 17 में. देख सकते हैं डेरिवेटिव्स एंड इकोनॉमिक इंडिकेटर. पार्ट नंबर 17 में हम लोग क्या पढ़ेंगे? डेरिवेटिव्स एंड इकोनॉमिक इंडिकेटर्स रिलेटेड इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. आ जाते हैं गाइस 156 में. हाउ डू इन्फ्लेशन एक्सपेक्टेड अफेक्ट बॉन्ड डेरिवेटिव? इन्फ्लेशन का जो एक्सपेक्टेशन होता है बॉन्ड डेरिवेटिव में उससे कैसे अफेक्ट करता है? तो आंसर है inflation expectation directly influence bond yield. Higher the expected inflation lead to increased yield, impacting the pricing and valuation of bond future and option. ठीक है guys. Next question 157. What role do derivatives play in managing interest rate risk during the economic uncertainty? Interest rate swap and option allow institution to hedge against the fluctuation rate, protecting portfolio during period of economic uncertainty. Next question guys, 158. How do GDP growth rate influence equity derivative? A strong GDP growth often lead to rise in equity market and impacting future and option tied to stock indices or individual equity. 159 guys, next question. What is the relationship between employment data and currency derivative? Answer guys, positive employment data can strengthen a country currency and affecting the pricing and strategy using currency future and option market. 160. How do central bank policy impact derivative market? सेंट्रल बैंक का जो पॉलिसी होता है इनका डेरिवेटिव मार्केट पर क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है? सेंट्रल बैंक एक्शन सच एज changes in the interest rate or quantitative easing directly affect the derivative tied to rate, currency, and financial indices. Next question guys, 161. What is the impact of the trade deficit on currency derivative? ट्रेड डेफिसिट करेंसी डेरिवेटिव में क्या इम्पैक्ट करता है? आंसर है persistent trade deficit can weaken country currency, making currency derivative crucial for hedging and speculation on the exchange rate movement. ठीक है भाई, अब आ जाते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 162 में। हाउ डू कमोडिटी प्राइस इंडिकेट इंडाइसेस अफेक्ट द कमोडिटी डेरिवेटिव? ठीक है, आंसर है कमोडिटी प्राइसिंग इंडाइसेस provide benchmark for the pricing of commodity future and option, influencing hedging and speculation strategy. Next question is 163. Why is volatility risks relevant to derivative market trader? ठीक है guys? तो VIX measure market expected volatility. Higher VIX value typically increase the premium for option and influence trading strategy. How do derivatives make react to unexpected economic data such as non-farm payroll report? Surprising economic data can lead to rapid price adjustment in derivative market with the traders adjust position based on the new forecast and risk assessment. ठीक है, ये 64 नंबर था। आ जाते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 165। What is the role of derivative mitigate risk during the period of economic recession? Answer is right. Derivatives such as put option and credit default swap are used to hedge against the declining asset value and credit defaults, providing financial stability during the downturn. ठीक है भाई, तो ये हमारा 17 पार्ट नंबर बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है गाइस मार्केट के लिए। तो आप पढ़े हैं, इससे पता चला गया कि इकोनॉमिकल न्यूज का कितना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है डेरिवेटिव मार्केट में। ठीक है गाइस, अब आ जाते हैं पार्ट नंबर 18 फ्यूचर ऑफ डेरिवेटिव मार्केट के बारे में कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे। आ जाते हैं गाइस 166 में। What role will artificial intelligence play in future derivative trading? Here answer है AI will continue to optimize trading algorithm, enhance risk management and providing real-time market insight, making derivatives trading more efficient and predictive. ठीक है भाई, अब आ जाते हैं 167 पर। How will blockchain technology transform derivative market? Blockchain will improve transparency, reduce settlement time, minimizing counterparty risk through a decentralized platform and a smart contract. तो देख सकते हैं ब्लॉकचेन का कितनी इम्पोर्टेंट है। 168 What is the potential impact of tokenized derivative on global market? ठीक है, tokenized derivative will enable fractional ownership, increase accessibility for the retailer investor, and a streamline trading through the blockchain-based platform. Next question guys, 169. How might environment concern shape the derivative market? ESG-linked derivative and carbon credit trading. Carbon expected to grow, aligning financial instruments with sustainability goals and global climate initiative. Next question guys, 117. What innovation are expected in volatility derivative? Advancement may include trailer volatility linked product and a smarter indices providing trader with more prices tools for managing market fluctuations. Next question is how will the rise of retailer trading influence derivative market? Retailer participants will drive demand for user-friendly platforms, simplifying derivative product and educational resource. Next question guys, 172. What are the implications of global regulatory harmonization for the derivative market? Harmonized regulation will facilitate cross-border trading, improve transparency, boost investor confidence in international derivative market. Next question guys, 173. How might quantum computing impact derivative pricing model? Answer guys, quantum computing could significantly accelerate complex calculation, improving accuracy in pricing model and risk assessment. Next question guys, 174. What role will derivative play in decentralized finance? De- Derivatives will become central to decentralized finance ecosystem, enabling hedging and speculative strategy on peer-to-peer platform. Okay, guys, next question 175. How are climate risk derivatives expected to evolve? Answer guys. Climate risk derivative will expand to cover extreme weather events, rising sea level, and other climate-related challenges, providing financial resilience for affected sector. देख सकते हैं गाइस, पार्ट नंबर 18 भी समाप्त हो चुका है। अब आ जाते हैं पार्ट नंबर 19 पे, चैलेंजेस एंड रिस्क इन डेरिवेटिव। तो देखते हैं गाइस 176 में, व्हाट इज काउंटर पार्टी रिस्क इन डेरिवेटिव ट्रेडिंग? Counterparty risk arise when one party derivative contract fail to fulfill their obligation, potential causing financial loss for the other party. 177 में guys, how does liquidity risk affect the derivative trading? Liquidity risk occurs when a trader cannot buy or sell a derivative at a fair price due to limited market activity leading to execution delay or unfavorable pricing. Number 178 में guys, what are the operational risks associated with derivatives? Operational risks include either in the trade execution, settlement, and delay, system failure that can disrupt derivative trading. Next question guys, 179. How does the leverage amplifying risk in derivatives? Leverage allows traders to control large positions with relatively a small capital, magnifying potential return, but also increase exposure to significant losses. Next question guys, 118. Why the market volatility is a major challenge in derivative market trading? Unpredictable pricing fluctuation can lead to rapid changes in the derivative value, requiring constant monitoring and adjustment to position. Next question guys, 188. What is the model risk in the context of pricing derivatives? Model risk arises when incorrect assumption or inaccuracy in the pricing model lead to mispricing and poor decision making. Next question guys, 182. How does regulatory risk impact derivative market? A changes in government regulation or compliance requirement can alter market dynamics, increase cost or restrict trading activity. Next question 183. What is the systematic risk and how does it relate to derivatives? Systematic risk refers to the potential for a widespread market instability caused by the interconnection of derivative and their counterparty. आंसर है भाई इसका। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 194. How do margin requirements pose challenges for the trader? High margin requirement can limit access to trading, while a sudden margin call during the volatility market can cause liquidation for the position. देखा पहले भी मैंने बात किया था कि ज्यादा मार्जिन अब लेते हैं तो आपकी सारी पैसा जो वेरिएशन हो जाता है पोजीशन में। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है 185 का, व्हाट इज सेटलमेंट रिस्क इन डेरिवेटिव ट्रांजैक्शन? Settlement risk occurs when there is uncertainty about whether counterparts will meet their financial obligation on the settlement date. ठीक है, थैंक यू गाइस। और हम 90 पार्ट खत्म कर चुके हैं, अब 20 पार्ट से शुरू करेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में गाइस, लेक्चर नंबर 6 से। तो आज सेवा यहाँ पर समाप्त होता है गाइस। लेक्चर नंबर 5 की आज हम 19 पार्ट तक कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं। टोटल 185 क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन कर चुके हैं। टोटल ये 500 क्वेश्चन का सीरीज है। जब पूरा कोर्स समाप्त हो जाएगा तो मैं आप और पीडीएफ के साथ मैं अटैच करूंगा। तो थैंक यू गाइस, इसी तरह बने रहें और अपने फ्रेंड फैमिली के साथ शेयर करें ताकि डेरिवेटिव मार्केट में जो भी सर्टिफिकेशन करना चाहते हैं इसमें ये इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आपको बहुत ही जबरदस्त हेल्प होगा। थैंक यू।